Hi guys, I am Kathleen and today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate cake squares. In here I got 150 grams of plain chocolate along with some 125 grams of butter, and to add with that I added 2 tablespoons of butter, which I'll let that melt completely over simmering water. While the chocolate and butter thing will cool down, I'm going to start with the mixture of this first. Now I've got 150 grams of light Muscovado sugar, and also this I've got 2 beaten eggs, and to also for the other ingredients I've got vanilla extract, and I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon just to give this a little flavour. If your batter's like this, I'm going to tell you what to add. To this one, I'm going to add a pinch of salt and some self-right. This is a pinch of salt. To this, I'm going to add in some self-rising flour, which is 125 grams. Once the flour has been sifted through, you can give that a mix. If it has to be more chocolatey, I'm going to put in this batter just to make it even more chocolatey. What I did was I poured the chocolate mixture into the cake ones. What I'm going to do now is put the mixture into the 8-inch square tin. Now I've got the mixture in the tin. Now I'm going to put this in the oven for 160 degrees for 30 minutes. It has to be baked for until it is risen and has a gooey in the middle. Oh my gosh, have you seen the baked square cake recipe? It is done and I hope you have made this recipe. So if you want to make more, suggest any more recipes, put in the comments section below. So if you want more recipes like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I hope I'll see you next time. Bye.